Mabuhay Madaya, my name is Christian and I am 20 years old and we're going to Samal Island. Let's go!
When I'm by your side,
See ya!
go down. Now you say you wanna get away, you wanna take me all the way. Might get burned if you get close.
Welcome to Samal Island, or the island garden city of Samal in Davao del Norte. Mindanao is known as the largest resort city in the Philippines. It is home to more than 30 resorts with over 1,000 rooms. Being just 2 kilometers away from Davao City via ferry ride, Samal Island is one of the top tourist spots for travelers visiting the capital city of Mindanao. It's blessed with pristine beaches and incredible snorkeling and diving sites aside from a luxury to budget resort that make for the ultimate tropical getaway.